Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with a Chart Patterns Mastery Simpler Trading free video for July 9th, 2024. All about looking for reversal patterns. Everybody wants to short on the way up. What we look for are those type of candles, those type of candlesticks after a rally. You want to see the indecision followed by the sell-off. But the bigger the green candle in the reversal, the more important. So let's go into it. First one first, Microsoft. We showed on how far this is from the 50 moving average. Textbook. Opens up yesterday, big green candle, indecision followed by a sell-off. That could be a poster child for a ton of other high flyers. Too far from the 50 moving average, big green candle, indecision candle, followed by a downside follow through. Ugly downside follow through as you see here. So what would be the next ones? Well, the first way I like doing it is what does this have in common with other high flyers? Well, probably that it's this far from the 50 moving average. So what I did is I just took a simple scan. I took stocks that were too far from their 50 moving average. But I took the ones that were at least 7% over the 50 simple moving average. This is a scan I share in the Chart Patterns Mastery. So it's 40 stocks. So it's 40 stocks in there. You could just save it if you want as a 40. And I'll show you what we're talking about. We're going to save it as a 40. And then we're going to go into charts. And we're going to go over here into 40. And all we're going to do is show you what's too far. Now, what you're looking for, though, is not that pattern. That doesn't tell you a darn thing. That's not telling you a darn thing. That's telling you something. The indecision in here followed by a downside candle. Did you see him in anything else? Well, darn right, you saw it in Adobe. So what do you have in common? You have too far from the 50 moving average, followed by indecision, and then a downside break. How about Meta? And it's getting there. How about Google? Google got upgraded and then went straight down after the opening. Yeah, you got to put Google in there. How about some other ones? How about Meta? Like I said, Microsoft. How about that one? Already showed you it. So how about some others? Let me show you. How about CrowdStrike? Well, that doesn't have a bad pattern, though. We're looking for those more parabolic sort of moves. This is sort of consolidating and everything's catching up. I don't put that one in that group. Tesla, no indecision candle yet. So I wouldn't go near Tesla until you see that indecision. Autodesk. There you go. Big rally, indecision, and then the break. So we're going to stick with these tomorrow. Apple, no indecision and break yet. Google, the break. ARM, maybe. I'd like to see it under that level, but that's how we're going to try to play them tomorrow. We're going to try to play the ones that have been really extended and then have an indecision followed by a break. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.